Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace LCD screen display on the Oneplus 7 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray and followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cartwright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and take out the pinboard frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector on the left hand side. Next, move to the bottom and undo 7 screws to take out the board cover with the speaker. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug on the left hand side. Next, before installing the new screen, test the screen's working condition by connecting the battery and LCD plug. Once the testing has passed, disconnect the LCD and battery plugs. There are two screen types for this replacement, screen with the frame and screen without the frame. For Oneplus, most common replacement screen is without the frame. This repair guide is based on the LCD assembly without the frame. Next, start removing the broken screen from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the screen edges. For this, we are using a heating pad. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create a slight opening from a sharp tool or something similar, and then using a sharp right tool, move around the phone to cut the adhesive. Be gentle in this process, and also, if your display is working fine, do not damage it. You can sell the broken screen to a repair shop. Next, clean the surface. Try to remove as much as all adhesive parts from the screen, and make sure there are no glass bits on the screen area. Use a brush tool or something similar to wipe out the dust from the screen. Next, use pre-cut adhesive or B7000 glue on the screen edges. I would highly recommend using B7000 glue for screen-only repairs. Next, place the new screen in the body. Make sure the LCD connector cable goes through the opening. Next, place some binding clips or rubber bands to tie the LCD screen to the body. Leave it for some time, and next connect the LCD plug to the board. Next, place the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and place the mainboard frame by securing 11 screws. Next, place the back cover on the body. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the screen replacement guide on OnePlus 7 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.